Hi everyone. So I've uploaded the data on our classroom page. It's called 10K1 Stats Datasets. I found one on 2015 Rugby World Cup players. That's from this website here. Okay, there's the link. And I found one on Auckland Marathon 2015 runners. So they're both datasets are here. Okay, whatever that is. 2015 Rugby World Cup players and the Auckland Marathon. Now, today we spoke about that filter button, so let me show you how that works. So I've got Enzigrapher open here, and I've done a wee bit of analysis, so maybe I'll start a fresh one. What I'll do is I'll Control A, Control C, paste my table in here. It takes a little bit of time. Click on Import. Remember, the task is that you have to come up with a box and whisker analysis and also a scatter graph analysis of 2015 Rugby World Cup players. For the marathon one, you just have to come up with a scatter graph. So I'll give you that much freedom. Now, here, if I was to do a box plot, say if I choose the weight, and I'd like to choose team. Now, I'm pretty sure there's about 16 rugby teams involved here. Enzigrapher doesn't really like working with larger groups, so you really have to reduce a group down. Now, we'll just stick with 2 countries or 2 groups. So what I'd like you to do, go back to your data set. If you click on team, just a cell there, A1, click on the filter button. You'll see how everything here has a little symbol. Now, what that means is you can filter things out, just like a filter. So what I could do here is if you press clear, and now you can click on rugby players from a particular country. So let's look at the English players and the All Black players. There we have it. Okay, don't worry about those numbers. They're just picking up players from those rows. Okay, so if Control A, do it again. Control A, Control C. Go back to Enzigrapher, paste your table, import, weight, team, about. Let's do dot plot. Ta-da! Interesting to see a gap here. Box plots. So there we have it. You can look. You can do lots and lots of things. You can do weight if you want. You can do height. You can do the age. You can also do the number of caps. This is interesting. So if you do caps and the position they play, position of course comes in quite a lot of things. So what I could do is go back. You can bring all your data set back by clicking on select all. So everything comes back. Position, maybe you can compare only 2 things. So what about clear the back row and the prop? Okay, so Control A, Control C, paste table, Control V, import. So caps, position, and let's see a dot plot. Right, so this is the remember, caps mean the number of games they have played since they started playing professionally for a country. Right, so here we have some players which are props. Props are those 4 big rugby players who drive balls and etc. forward. Please Google that. You'll be fine. Back row, etc. So you can do your dot plot here, scatter graph as well. I'll leave the choice up to you. Pretty cool feature to use. The filter button. Look, you don't have to get stuck up with the name of players. Position is a good one. Back prop, you can choose any other position. There's also one on Auckland Marathon. This is the bib number. That's the number which is put on the the front or back, whatever you could say. The players' names, the time in hours, the position they came. So you've got a lot of work to do. Everything is cut out for you. And on our classroom page, I've got the announcement here. and I'll also add in a link to the video file very shortly and post it. So hopefully you're okay. I'll be at a course tomorrow, so hopefully you guys are all good, and yeah, no dramas hopefully tomorrow.